Hello guys, it's me, Connor Baldwin, or Connor 735, that's my intro up here, so on your admit. But this is my schoolhouse here, and I changed my skin. So, before we get on bedwars, I'm going to show you my school inside here. Yeah. Yeah, downstairs is kinda well, there's the server if you want to join in. But here's my inside. Purple locker, funny, one. That's somebody else that have a different shot. That's not the real one, Timber. That's not the real one. That's spending. That's mine. That's Mexico. And that's about all. Just checking. And I make the bathrooms. I clearly built this school all by myself. I literally did this all by myself, dudes and girls. So if you need someone that is a fast builder and miner, that's me. And woodcut miner too. I am a faster crafter too. So that's me if you need someone to build you a town. So yeah guys. And there's the library. Yeah guys. Also no. Also, Panya 1 in Mexico and Banding told me my force is, well, Panya 1 told me my deep force is cute. Is that true, guys? I don't know, but leave me a comment that if that is cute. Yeah, true. And this is the eating area. I've clearly built that eating area by myself. And guys, do you really want to see the downstairs? It's gonna be for things that is closer to adult age. It's only for, it's under kids that not that far away from adult age. It's not for them. Because he's not gonna say make out and stuff, so it's only for, I won't show it to anyone because it's only for teens that are closer to adult age. And that's me. So that's Mexico room. That's 101 room. That's Purple's room to not enter room. So I won't go in. That's, yeah, not my room. She changed her name. That's my room. That's Bendy's room. 3 more boys' room and 1 more girl room for filling up. So, job and application stuff. And remember the past. That was my old friend, Tommy Grove. Yes, Tommy Grove is another guy from another game on my iPhone. And also, he and me are best friends. We know each other online since we were 16. And he was like older than me, so also guys, let's start playing bedwars after I show you this. Fight the club! Hoorah! Oh, hoorah! Yep. So, this is so, don't go that way. And that's, yeah. And now let's go bedwars. 7 minutes in the finals, guys. Also, which one was on solo? 3 versus 3. Alright, guys. Let's do this. I'm molten, so I can't talk text to anyone online, but I wish I would. I can. Yes. Yes. In my past, I was active. Very teacher active. I mean, like, I chat to anyone if they want to. So, I am a teacher. A good one, not a, like, I help people in my old days. I help people in my old days. I mean, like, nothing wrong with helping people that doing depressed stuff. I mean, like, it's good, a Christian way to help people. I mean, like, oh, so let's start play before my recording stop. So, yeah. Let's go break some bands, folks. Up there. Drop right now. Also, if you find me funny in my deep voice, that's okay. I'm still helping Mexico with her to press. I'll see fine for me telling that to anyone. I hope. Also, no! Oh, thanks, Wendell. Yeah! Thanks, Wendell. Thanks, Wind, for helping me. Yeah! That's is cool right now. The enemy helping out to killing the other enemy. That's a good plan to do, guys. I mean, if you get close to the island, it's clearly helping, guys. So you might win the game quicker if you do that, guys. So also, ding! Do not fall down. I know what happened when I fall down. I've done that a couple times before. Sinker! Oh well, let him play my game. Yep. Lock, 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 lock. Lock. So much lagging right now. I really don't care I win or lose. Oh well. I'm trying to be funny, guys. I'm really trying hard. Because I have been depressed too much time. Never had a girlfriend in real life. So I'm trying to be funny. Hey! What? You don't know my past, girl. I mean, what's her name? One second, guys. Now. Excuse me? Well, that's fine.